What's up, YouTube? This is Alex, Steel Blue Body. Today we're going to talk about my 2007 Dodge Charger. So as you can see, this is what I did to it. I changed the headlights, changed the fog lights on the bottom. Changed the whole grill on the bottom right here. There's a bottom grill right out there, as you can see. You know what I mean? Looks good, right? But soon I'll let y'all know what kind of light that I'm using. This whole thing right here. These rims right here, black 22, 265s. It's 265 all around. I got the rain visors on the top. Protect that, so when it rains, I could at least put my windows halfway down. When it rains, you have the window down. Rain is all, and yeah, you can see it all scratched up. There's a place I'm gonna go and get those rims fixed up as well, get them restored. I'll show you guys what I did to the back. This is the back right here. This is the back. The exhaust that I have back here is Flowmasters, as you can see right there. Looks real good. So I love this car, man. When I got this car, it was crazy. But when I got this car, I didn't have none of these things, man. As the year goes by, just basically hooking it up, make it look real good. Kept everything good. And I also show you guys what I did to the engine. Put an intake in there. Yeah, guys, this is my engine. I know it's dirty, but you know what? When that time comes, I'll show you guys how to clean that engine. Make sure, the engine looks real good and stuff. So that's gonna come. So this is what I put in. K&N intake. Real good. Gives you that extra horsepower, just like the exhaust give you extra horsepower. But it don't give you that much, but at least it give you that kind of speed. I don't know how much torque, which I gotta find out how much torque it gives. But other than that, this is real good. Yeah, I got this car in the year 2007. Went a long way. Right now we're in 2018, and paying this car was like crazy. I've been on a grind paying for this car. Thanks to my wife. She held me down. She was just stack up your bread, pay this car off, and I did that. I did that within 5 months. No, actually, I'm sorry, 5 years. I did that in 5 years, paid it off, and it was crazy. But God bless her, man. Yeah, so the car, just kept the car in shape. Didn't really do nothing to the body. The only thing that I've been doing to it was, change the struts. It's only the front struts. So that's what I've been doing so far, changing the struts. I had to change control arms, which I have to do again. But other than that, the car is smooth. It runs real good. No problem at all. Great Charger. You guys let me know if I should put a spoiler at the back. So leave it at the comment on the bottom. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, guys, I didn't really do much in the inside. Everything in the inside is just the same. This right here is, whenever I reverse, it's like a sensor. To let me know if how close I am to the car. The symbol right here for the Dodge, I still got that, but I gotta get that replaced because the whole piece is all broken. Then I gotta, sooner or later, I'm gonna change the radio. So y'all let me know. Leave it on the comment on the bottom. Let me know. There's a couple of things I gotta do. Change it. Change a couple of things in the car. But other than that, this car, you know, I mean, I had it since 2007, and this car been running great, man. You know what I mean? This car is basically different from other Chargers, even though it's a 2.7, you know what I mean? But it still run good, and the reason why it's different is because I could just switch it to third gear, or if I could put it into low gear where it's only one gear, like, you know, for snow and stuff. You know what I mean? So it's pretty good. Special transmission, 5-speed transmission, you know what I mean? But, you know, it's pretty good, man. I mean, for the year 2007, you know what I mean, with what? 8326.1, you know what I mean? 83,261 miles on there. You know what I mean? You can't beat that, man. Everything is great, man. And I'll show you, I mean, right now, if I were to start the car, you wouldn't hear like the sound from the exhaust, but you definitely hear something once you start it up, you know, cold start basically. So if you guys like this video, just basically like it, you know what I'm saying, share it, and then let me know what you guys think, you know what I'm saying, if y'all definitely feel it, you know what I mean. Let me know, guys. Alright, you guys have a good one, and I hope to see you guys again at the next vlog. Alright, later.